Hi! In front of me is VIVO V23 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Mini Screen Mode shortcut. If you can't find it, just tap on this pen at the top left corner of your tab menu. Locate your shortcut and drag it to the tab. Then click on the back button and finally click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you want to change placement of it, click on this icon of a square at the top left or right corner. Then drag it. If you want to resize it instead, tap on the same icon, but this time drag one of those dots. When you find the perfect size, let go. If you wish to get out of this mode, you can use this X at the top right or left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!